Hey there, I'm glad you clicked on this video. Today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for so many of us: social anxiety. If you've ever felt nervous, awkward, or downright terrified in social situations, you're not alone. First off, let's get one thing straight. Social anxiety isn't a life sentence. There are actionable steps you can take to overcome it. So let's jump into some tips and tricks that can help you tackle social anxiety head-on. Tip number 1, exposure. Yeah, I know it sounds scary, but gradually exposing yourself to social situations can desensitize your anxiety. Start small, maybe a quick chat with a cashier or a friendly neighbor. As you get more comfortable, challenge yourself with bigger social interactions. Remember baby steps. Next up, practice mindfulness and deep breathing. When you feel your anxiety spiking, take a moment. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple technique can help center your thoughts and calm your nerves. Another effective strategy is cognitive behavioral techniques. Challenge those negative thoughts that fuel your anxiety. Ask yourself, is this thought rational? What's the worst that could happen? More often than not, you'll find that your fears are much bigger in your head than in reality. Don't underestimate the power of preparation either. If you know you have a social event coming up, practice what you're going to say. Rehearse in front of a mirror or with a friend. The more prepared you feel, the less anxious you'll be in the moment. Let's not forget the importance of self-care. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. A healthy body contributes to a healthy mind, making it easier to manage stress and anxiety. Lastly, if your social anxiety is severely impacting your life, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists can offer personalized strategies and support tailored to your needs. Remember, overcoming social anxiety is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video.